we raised concerns when NEMA launched an operation to evict people from the Luigi wetland. And it's from that background that UPC is calling upon the government that we need clear guidelines for land use partners. As the country continues to register and increasing youthful population, the pressure on all natural resources has also increased. A clear analysis shows that land as a natural resource is increasingly getting very scarce and expensive commodity. This calls for proper land use partners as we try to secure the future. In our previous press conference of 19th June 2024, we raised concerns as the National Environment Management Authority, thus NEMA, launched an operation to protect the wetlands. This ongoing initiative of reclaiming wetlands by NEMA is covering Kampala, Wakiso, Mukono, Mbale, Mbarara, Arua, and other districts across the country. UPC would like to emphasize that the key stakeholders, and that include central government, local government, and NEMA itself, had lapses on duty and ignored stop wetland encroachment. This will mean that they slept on duty as the wetlands were being encroached on. So that it's our understanding as to why they are coming up now and who cared them to encroach, to erect houses on such, on our wetlands, and now they are coming to demolish them.